Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Explosions, where we explore the latest and craziest innovations in artificial intelligence. Today's topic is something that's going to blow your mind. It's called vibe coding. Imagine building apps without typing a single line of code, just by talking to an AI or giving a simple instructions. Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's happening right now. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is vibe coding? Normally, when we create software or websites, we write thousands of lines of code, line by line, symbol by symbol. It takes time, skill, and patience. But with vibe coding, that changes completely. Instead of manually writing code, you just describe what you want in plain English, and the AI understands it, writing the code for you, and even helps you test it. You say, for example, create a website that shows today's weather in Hyderabad. The AI generates the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript automatically in seconds. That's the vibe. You tell it your idea, it feels the vibe of what you mean, and writes the code accordingly. Now, why is everyone talking about this? Because vibe coding makes technology accessible to everyone, even people who are not from a technical background. Suppose you are a business owner, a student, or a designer. You can simply describe your idea and building a working model with the help of AI. Let's understand this a bit deeper. But don't worry, I will keep it simple. When you type your instructions, just say, I want a login page with email and password. The AI model, which is trained on millions of examples of code and logic, it figures out how that looks in real code. Then it writes code using languages like Python, JavaScript, or even frameworks like React based on what you asked for. You can then say change the button color to blue or add a password reset option, and it updates the code instantly. That back and forth is what people call vibing with the code. You and AI working together naturally. Now, vibe coding is super exciting, but it's not perfect yet. What are the advantages we have so far? So, faster development and prototyping, and it's easier to non-technical people to create apps, and it's great for brainstorming and testing new ideas quickly. And what are the challenges we have in vibe coding? The AI does not always understand complex logic, and sometimes the generated code can have bugs or security risks. Developers still needs to review and fine tune the final product. So it's not about replacing programmers. It's about helping them work faster and smarter. Let's take a real world example. Imagine you want to create a small personal finance tracker app. You tell the AI, build an app that helps me track my daily expenses and shows a monthly chart. In a few seconds, it creates the entire structure, input form, database connection, and charts. Then you can say, make it look like dark mode, and boom, it changes instantly. That's vibe coding. You just give vibes, the AI does the typing. Experts believe this is just the beginning. In the coming years, vibe coding could completely change how we build websites, games, and even AI systems themselves. Instead of learning code, we will learn how to talk to AI better. That's the power of vibe coding, where your ideas become reality just through conversation. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to AI Explosions. I bring you the most exciting facts, tools, and future tech updates about artificial intelligence. Comment below what's one app you would love to build using vibe coding. See you in the next explosion of AI.